Hello everyone, students. This is the day 4 of Unit 4, right? For ALGA 3 students. So everyone, please open SR3. You can see you need to open SR3 in your reader book, right? Word families. Add word family. Children, again I want to tell you one thing that this is the beginning sound, this is the middle sound, and this is the end sound. Okay, means last sound, right? So let's read these words by using shoulder to hand strategy. Okay, so quickly. A d, a d, mud. What it become? Mud. Now k a d, k a d, cud. Okay, cud. See, b a d, b a d, bud. D a d, dud. Children, please, whenever you read word with phonics, then you need to use this strategy, right? Let's read these sentences now. Everyone, please repeat after me. See, number 1. I like to play in the. Children, these all are the whole words that we see and read, right? But this is the word of phonic, right? Then how we'll read it? We need to read it with letter sound, right? Like, what is this? A d, mud, mud. Okay, now the next is she is my best b a d, bud. She is my best bud. Okay, now the next is the plant has a b a d, bud. The plant has a bud. Okay, now see, number 4. There is a ball in the a d, mud. There is a ball in the mud. Number 5. A b a d, bud in the a d, mud. A bud in the mud. Children, please read all these words, and we have a word family. You need to read these words also. Please read all these. Even you need to read complete SR3, right? Please read it and do more practice. Okay, now children, please open SR16 whole words, right? Let's read from here. Everyone, please repeat after me. Has. What is it? Has. So, in, of, we, from. Now children, I am showing you some flashcards of new whole words, right? You have to note down these whole words in your notebook of ALGA 3, right? So let's start. It. What is this? It. Okay, now the next is was. The next is was. W-A-S, was. Okay, now the next is said. Okay, and the last one is for today, went, right? See, went. Children, please note down these whole words in your notebook. Again, I am repeating: went, said, was, it. Children, now in reading and listening comprehension, you need to open SR phone, and we have read in the last video also Beautiful India, right? This is story we all have read. Now once more you have to read this story, right? अच्छे से इसको रीड करेंगे आप लोग, ठीक है बच्चों? Now students, please open WS1. We have 2 questions here. We will solve it. Question 1. and 2. The question 1 is, see, tick the correct answer. Children, we have two questions here, A and B, and we have two options. We have to find out the correct option. I am going to read first A. See, where did Priya go first? Where did Priya go first? It means Priya पहले कहाँ गई थी? We have two options, Gateway of India or Red Fort. Which is correct? We need to tick that, right? Now the second is, where did Priya go last? Means Priya last में कहाँ गई थी? हवा महल और फिर second is Dal Lake. Okay, children, you have to do it by yourself. Now the question 2, fill in the blanks using your own words. आपको क्या करना है? आपको you have one fill up to complete it with your own words. See, let's read it. Where will you go for a holiday with your family? आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ हॉलीडे पर कहाँ जाएंगे? that place name you need to write here, okay, in this sentence, and you have to complete this sentence. And with my family or friends, whatever you want to write, then you can. Okay, so please complete it. Also see the question 3, circle the pictures that matches the meaning of the underlined words. Children, we have some words, some sentences, and one word in all the sentences, one word is circled. Now what you have to do, you have to find you have to see the pictures, then you have to see the word, then you need to think which is the correct picture for this word, right? The first example is, we can see the girl looks sad, right? She is laughing, and she is crying. Obvious, she is sad. Then you have to circle this picture. So like this you need to complete question 3. Okay children, please complete it. Children, now please open WS6. You can see you need to open WS6, and we will talk about question 2. Circle the naming word and underline the verb in each sentence. Children, what are naming words? Firstly, because we need to circle here naming words and we need to underline the verb. Children, naming words, normally we all know that the name of person, place, animals or things are called the naming words, right? So what you have to do, you have to circle the naming words and you need to underline the verb. Like first is, you can see the girl is dancing. The girl is the noun, naming word, right? And dancing is the verb. Action means, verb means action. So like this you have to complete this question by yourself. Okay children. Now children, in writing and speaking expression, as I told you that please draw a picture. You need to think a place. The topic was is a place I visited in last summer. मैम ने आपको बोला था ना कि आप कहीं आप विजिट किया हो, आपने आप कहीं घूमने गए हो, रिलेटेड टू दैट स्टोरी यू नीड टू ड्रॉ योर पिक्चर एंड you need to write sentences. So children, I have written, this is the India Gate I draw. Okay, now these are the sentences. You can see, I am Prerna. I went to Delhi last summer, right? I saw India Gate. It was beautiful. I felt very happy. Children, same thing you have to do. Just draw your picture, right? And try to write sentences like this I have written. Okay. एंड चिल्ड्रन, मैम ने तो आपको अपनी पिक्चर दिखाई है, बट आप में से किसी बच्चे ने मैम को अब तक सेंड नहीं किया, देन प्लीज़ ट्राई टू डू इट. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट डन, देन आई होप आफ्टर लुकिंग दिस यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट how you will do it, right? And now the second thing is that now draw the picture where you want to go with your parents. जहाँ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ और अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ आप जाना चाहते हो, आप उस जगह की, उस प्लेस की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करो, राइट? और फिर उसके लिए सेंटेंसेस लिखो. फर्स्टली यू नीड टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स एंड सेंड मी. ओके, आई विल सी. And let's talk about homework, because now we have finished, we have learned many things, right? Now what you have to do in homework, you need to read all the whole words from SR 16 and you need to draw the picture where you want to go with your parents. Okay, thank you so much. Please complete your work. Happy learning.